Going to Maliko, you will see this stop checkpoint, and there's a bridge. After this bridge, it's a long way going up, and it's zigzag, but we will go down here first. We will go to a river going there. There's a beautiful river there. We will go there, so we will turn right here. There, turn right. Let's go. My friends are making move, film. Let's wait for them. Oh, this is off-road. After almost 170 kilometers of pavement, now this is off-road, and we love it. I love it. Off-road again. Let's go. There's a end of the road. It becomes exciting and thrilling. It makes us happy. Yeah. There's a lot of stone, rocky section. Yeah, it's fun. Oh, adventure rider Randy Bailon. Water crossing with Harley Davidson bobber. I don't know what's the model of that. Oh, go. There you go. Let's proceed there. You made it. Oh, you made it. Oh, done. Finish. Very good.
Finish.
You finish. Now, we will proceed now. I hope we will not fall. What?
Nag-drone shot lang sila.
Ha?
Nandiyan lang sila sa pagliko.
Baka hinihintay tayo.
Nag-drone shot.
Oh, sige. Tara. Let's go. Oh, rocky section. You're making a film. You're filming a movie. How was it? Wow, drones. You see. Wow. We will go there. Nice. Let's go. Yeah, water crossing. Woo. Just take it slow. You don't need to rush. Oh, okay, we'll go right side. Yeah. Off-road mode on. Which way to go? Here. Yeah. There's a lot of stone, rocky section. Where did Kenny go? Did he go here? Or up there? Oh, I'm not sure. Did not go up. Where did he go? We'll find a way. There's no tire marks here. Where could he possibly go? I'll find a way first. Check first if this is the right way. so we will not get trapped. Okay, it's better to check first. It's oh, there's a stone here. It will be hard, so I think this is not a safe way. Now we go to the left side. Let's go. This is kind of hard. Loose big stone. Huh? Left. Nakabitin ako. Hawakan mo lang harapan.
Likod, harap.
Kabila.
1, 2, 3, go.
Mamuhukay.
Matas ka konti. Yes. 1, 2, 3, go. Diba?
Nakasampay.
1, 2.
Wala. Tiring. Let's wait. We will go now. We're trying to find a way. There's a way here. Oh, it's going down. Go. Sige. Sige, kaya, sige. Kaya, kita rito, kaya pre. What? Oh. What will you do? Let's try the left side. Let's not go there. Oh yeah, going down. Yeah. Okay, we're safe. Yun, loose. Yari tayo dyan. Tayo lulubog dyan pre. Okay, try. How about here? Tatawid ko lang pre. We're safe. We're safe. I'll just go back there. Baba mo pre. Atake natin pababa. Atake natin, bibidyo ako lang si Julio. What do you want me to do? Pre, kabing mo pa kaliwa yung gulong mo. Yan, tama na yan. May nakaharang lang kanina. Wala nang bato sa harap. Yan na. May bato lang kanina eh. Diretso mo na, ito.
Hindi ka makakatar dyan?
Wala na yan, nakatake na pababa yan. Yan na. Diretso pre. Okay, let's go. One, two. Ano? Likod?
Sige ka muna.
Pare, stress. Pakita ka tayo maliko. Ba, ito lang naman yan eh. Mali lang tayong daan. We're having a bit hard time.
Ha? Dun. Kaya ko na sana diretso dito eh.
Hindi, pero dito ka talaga. Doon talaga daan. There you go. Finish. Pero ito, hatakan natin pababa.
Okay.
Hindi bababa to.
Tulak mo. Tulak sa harap ka.
Pahan?
Tulak ka.
Game. Ilalay ka, paa mo. Yan. Go.
Napatay ba yung ABS nito?
Oh.
Ano papatay?
Long press. Off-road. Go. Yan na.
Tulak.
Yan na. Your turn. Ninja 650 off-road setup, oh. Adventure setup by step. Wala step, alanganin dyan dito. Dinurog na yan. Putang ina. Okay to. Wow. You see that? Ninja 650 basic. Hukay. Sige, one more. Paso. Ninja 650. It's very tiring, huh? Let's go. Continue now with our journey. We're looking for a river. It's really tiring, pulling and pushing adventure bikes. Wow, you see? Another rocky section. I think we are the wrong way. We should go left. Ah, we should go right. Which way to go? Is there a way? Is there a way? Oh, there's a way. Wow. There's a way. But there's a hanging there. Oh, it's kind of steep. Oh, he's having a hard time. It's loose. Let's wait for him. Okay, we go. Okay. Ah, paved road. Yeah. Let's go. Rice field, mountain, river. Let's go. Hanging bridge for people. Pala doon, Puyao River. Ayun, Puyao River pala. Tayo pupunta. Kaso, slow eh. Pagkina natin. Ano ba? Kalimutan ko na rin. Ito na naman tayo. pala. Dito tayo huminto kahapon, doon kami dumaan eh, ang hirap. Yan, dito kami huminto kahapon. Oh, napupuntahan pala natin Puyao. Puyao River, 500 meters away. Ayun, dito. Puyao River. Dito lang siya bago pumalik ng Maliko. Ito residential, may sari-sari store to, may mga tindahan naman eh. Dati napunta na ako rito, may mga bahay-bahay. Ngayon baka na wash out na. Pero sana hindi. Kasi diba nagkaroon ng malakas na bagyo. Sana hindi na wash out. Tayo sa Puyao River. Dati hindi ganito yung tsura nito. May mga kubo dito tayo, diba? Na wash out nung bagyong Karina. Nito lang. O sabi na eh, baka na wash out eh. Dati may mga ano dyan, may mga kubo-kubo. Pero pwede pa bumaba ron, di ba kuya? Ito, saan papunta ito pag diniretso?
Dyan siya, pupunta daw.
Saan ang tagos niyan?
Bago pa nang natakot na lang. Diyan. Katawag. Oo, patigyan na lang. Hindi na pwede, hanggang dyan lang kasi
Ah, dead end din yan.
hindi kayo magkatawid dun kasi malalim yung ano tubig doon.
Ah, okay.
Tapos din yung ano, tulay.
Pero may magagandang mapupuntahan dyan, wala na.
Dapat likod kayo sana kayo boss. Sa bagong ano daanan. Awal dyan sa ako. Wala lang tayo.
Ha? Oo nga. Pero sirip lang tayo doon sa baba. Dati maganda to eh. May mga tindahan pa. May mga kubo. Basta na wash out yung bagyo. Yun ang problema. Puntahan natin. Wala na wash out na kasi. Hanggang dito na lang siya. Meron parang dam doon. Ayun, no? Ganun na lang. Ito na pala yung Puyao River. So ito na yung Puyao River ngayon. Papakita ko sa inyo yung picture before kung gaano to kaganda. Yan ang problema pag ang kalikasan talaga gumalaw. Wala ka magagawa eh. Dati liguan to. Tapos may mga kubo-kubo dyan, may tindahan. Dito pwede maligo, kabilaan. Ngayon ito na yung tsura niya, wala na kahit ano. May mga kubo na lang din dito sa gilid-gilid. Ayan. Meron. Pero mukhang maganda pa ron eh. Kaso putol na yung daan, hanggang doon lang pala tong semento. Pero okay pa rin. Puyao River.